Ever wondered how some guys always look effortlessly cool, even on the hottest days? Today, you're going to learn their secrets. Let's dive into how simple choices in fabrics and colors can elevate your summer style beyond the ordinary. First up, the choice of fabric is crucial. Heavy materials trap heat, but with light, airy fabrics like cotton or linen, you stay cool and comfortable all day long. These fabrics aren't just about comfort, they keep you looking fresh no matter the temperature. Now, let's talk color. Light colors are your best allies in summer because they reflect heat instead of absorbing it. Imagine your wardrobe with classic whites, soothing light blues, and vibrant soft greens. And for those days you feel bold, throw in a splash of color with a bright polo or a patterned shirt that makes your outfit stand out. Getting the fit right is key. You might think loose clothes are the way to go in summer, but the truth is that a fit that's just right, neither too tight nor too baggy, actually keeps you cooler and makes you look sharper. And let's not overlook the power of accessories. A sleek pair of sunglasses, a stylish hat, or a cool watch not only adds a layer of style, but also serves practical purposes like protection from the sun. Are you ready to step up your game this summer? It's not just about dressing to stay cool. It's about standing out with style. Let's make sure this summer you're not just beating the heat. You're making it sizzle with your style.